Today we're gonna be making one of my favorite recipes, Instant Pot Braised Ribs. Let's get right to it. So the first thing we need to do is slice our ribs into a little bit smaller sections so they fit in the pot. We're gonna season these with about 2 tablespoons of our original Dash seasoning. This is my favorite spice blend because it's low sodium without missing out on any of the flavor. So we have our pot set on the saute function. Add a little bit of oil. I love using Coleman pork because they use a heritage Duroc breed that has the best marbling. Take these out, set them aside. So now we're gonna add 1 small onion minced, a few garlic cloves, some tomato paste. And now we're gonna add the remaining 2 tablespoons of our Dash seasoning. We're gonna deglaze with 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. Now to help balance, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar and then 2 cups of beef broth. We're gonna nestle all of our ribs back in this pot. So now we need to cover and set it for 45 minutes. Let's open these and take a look. Oh my gosh, they're so tender. So now we're gonna switch this to our saute function and reduce this for about 10 to 15 minutes. So I have a nice bed of mashed potatoes. We are gonna top this with some of our reduced barbecue sauce. And then just for the final touch, a little bit of chopped chives. And there you have it, my Instant Pot Braised Ribs. This recipe is so fantastic. My family is gonna love this. I really hope you give it a try and let me know what you think about it in the comments.